Good morning, everyone. This is Suzanne Dawood's group. We have Christine Hovsepian and Michael Cash. As you know, every week we pick one question from our clients and followers. And today's question is, what are the closing costs? And what is closing costs? So when you close on a home, there are a number of fees that are associated. Some of those includes the title insurance, origination fees, underwriting fees, and document preparation fees. It normally ranges anywhere from 2 to 5%. So let's say if you are buying a home for $300,000, your closing costs could be anywhere from 6,000 to 15,000. And if you're on a market buying home greater than 300,000, then obviously your closing cost it's much greater. So it's anywhere from again 2 to 5%. So this is my information. And Michael Cash.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. I wanted to say when buying a home, it's important to have a budget and make sure that you plan ahead for certain home buying expenses. Saving for a down payment is the main cost that comes to mind, but budgeting is for the closing costs required to get the mortgage. It's just as important, which a lot of people don't really think of that. As home prices are rising and more buyers are finding themselves competing in bidding wars, it's more important than ever to make sure to plan and make sure that your plan includes budgeting for closing costs, working with your lender and local real estate professionals to be sure that you have everything you need to land your home, your dream home.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a great point. Christine, what are your thoughts on closing costs?
They're at the when you get to the closing table with your attorney and your agent, there is just going to be so much paperwork in front of you, and you're not going to have enough time to read every single thing. So it's super important. A few days prior to the closing, get all the paperwork from your attorney. Make sure you're working really closely with all your whole team, your agent, your lender, your attorney, to get all the documents, review them, make sure everything looks good, you're comfortable with it. And then at the closing table, you're going to be signing a lot. Your hand's going to get tired, but probably one of the most important things is to read the closing disclosure. So the closing disclosure shows your loan terms, final closing costs, and then any outstanding fees that you might owe. So again, you'll get this a few days before the closing. You'll sign it at the closing, but super important to review that.
Great point, everyone. Great point. So follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and anyone wants to add anything.
Yeah, if you have questions about the buying or selling process, we do this every couple of weeks with our answering your questions. So feel free to DM us, like Suzanne said, or send us an email. Ask us anything you'd like, and maybe we'll answer your question next week.
Marvelous. All right. Thank you to our experts, and please tag us, follow us. Any question, any concern, we have experts helping you out. Till next time, be safe, be well. Bye.